money with Instagram threads. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Joshdehustler, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how you can make money with this popular app that is trending right now called Instagram threads. Well, Instagram threads is a new Twitter being demonstrated by Mark Zuckerberg in order to kill Twitter to the end. So we are going to use this advantage or use this disadvantage to make money online. What you have to do right now is to put in your shoes, put in your data on, and watch me to the end as I demonstrate how you can do this and achieve this maximum result. And right now I'm going to show you the reason why this actual website or this actual app is the best of making money online. So let's just go over to the app. This is the way the app looks like. If you go over to the app, this is everything you have to see. People are posting and a lot of things are happening. Let me show you the reason why this actual app is the best. If I go over to my profile, well, don't mind me. Okay, so if I go over to my profile, you got to see right here. This is what I posted recently. You got to see how this actual app crop this thing out, the link out, that it can be what? Clickable. So if I click on this now, it will definitely divert to my YouTube channel. It will do what? Give it opportunity to do what? Generate a linkable, clickable link that can generate that exactly things you want. So we are going to use this actual method to promote some products and make money online. But I'm going to show you how you can do it, because it's not just what you are just going to go there and start doing. There is things you have to do for you to be able to hook out a customer before you be able to make money. So for us to begin, we are going to do what? Make use of YouTube. There is one thing I want you to do on YouTube. But before you do that, you have to plan yourself and know what exactly you want to do. You want to sell products? Do you want to start up affiliate program, which is the best in this platform? Do you want to start numerous things? You can do it right away. So what you have to do first is to make your research. You guys go over to YouTube. Let me say you are talking about selling products like shoes. Let's say shoe design. Then I send it out. So when I send that, they will show me a lot of shoe designs. What I have to do is to filter those videos. So I have to filter those videos under 4 minutes or more than. And when I filter that, they will show me a bunch of videos that contains that. So what I have to do is to download each and every one of the video that I really like and then store it on my storage, and then go over to Amazon to get those products, or go over to any site that sells those products to get the affiliate link of that product and then do the necessary thing. But it's not what I want to teach now. But if you want to learn this, kindly comment that in the comment section that I'm going to show you guys on how to achieve that in the next video. So what we have to talk about is based on money. So we're going to type in how to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay? So if you go over there, you guys do what? Filter as usual, click it under 4 minutes. Then you guys see a lot of people talking about affiliate marketing. You guys see it here. Affiliate. So I'm going to choose in any particular one of my choice. Let's just say this actual one. If I click on this video right now, just see what this guy is talking about. Then what I have to do next is to check in the comments. You know, some people, some of them do provide links, but this actual person is not making any money because he didn't provide any link for these actual products. You understand? So what we have to do next is to copy the link of this video. We are going to use this actual stuff to make money. We are going to copy this video and then go over to the second website. This website will allow us to download this video and store it on our system. Then we are going to use this actual video to work and make money. So I'm going to go over to the website called xxyoutube.com. If I go over to xxyoutube.com, what this actual website does is to help you or enable you to download YouTube videos and store it on your system. So I'm going to do what? Let's say paste that actual link here, and then this will load. Then you guys see giving us option to download the video. I guess just to click on download, and the video will definitely download on my laptop, and then I will make use of it later. So since the video I've downloaded right here, you guys see down here that the video I've downloaded, what we are going to do next is to do what? Divert to the platform. But before we divert to the platform, we are going to do what? Register in this actual website this guy or this dude is talking about. We are going to find in the actual website, register, and copy the affiliate link. Let me just assume that this is the website, and then I copy the affiliate link right here. This is the affiliate link. Then I got to go over to my notes to save those affiliate link I just copied. What I had to do next is to go over to the actual website called Instagram Threads. So Instagram Threads is what we are going to use to get this thing done. But right here is very difficult to operate on my system because they haven't rushed that, and I tried to use a clone system Android to operate it, but it's not that friendly to operate, so I decided to make use of my phone. But the way I got to do this is to send it on my WhatsApp. This actual video, I'm going to send all the documents on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to go over to my browser where my WhatsApp is. I don't know where. Okay, here is where my WhatsApp is. I got to do what? Go over to this actual one. Here is my number. Then I had to choose in to send the video there. Let me just send. Don't mind me, that's my babe. So I got to click on this and then go over to this place to send out the video. So this is the video. I got to send it on my WhatsApp. So the video will start loading, and also copy the affiliate link of the website that I has the affiliate link. Then copy that. Then what I have to do next is to check in the name of the video. You know, this actual video is not yet posted on this platform because this platform is new and will be the first person to publish actually this actual video there. So this actual website will promote it because it's new, and the algorithm needs something that will make the app going. So this is what I have to do now, is to go over to this place and paste the name also. So when I paste the name also, then I'm done with my system. Then we are going to divert to our phone to do the necessary one. So when I go over to my phone, this is the way my surface will be like. So what I have to do next is to go over to the post, copy, then go over to the top and find the video. So here is the video. I'm going to click on done. So guys can see the video right here. So what I had to do next is to go over to my WhatsApp to copy the link of the affiliate. So if I go over to my WhatsApp right now, here is where my WhatsApp is. Then I go over to my WhatsApp to copy the affiliate link. This is the name of the video, and the affiliate link is on top. Then I have to put in the name and the affiliate link, put in the affiliate link. So what I have to do is to promote this in this actual dashboard. So let's just find the affiliate link right here. So here is the affiliate link I wish to publish. Then what I have to do next is to post this actual video. So when I post it, since this website is new, this website would likely to promote this actual video and to the wide audience, and people that are interested in this video will definitely use my link to register. And when they register and start making money in the platform or start buying products in the platform, I definitely do what generates income. So this is the way you can definitely scale out much business in this actual trending app, because it's new and a lot of people are now mingling in the website or in the app to make more fun or to create an audience base where they will do what? Start publishing their ads and a lot of them. then you can use now to start making money in the platform. And that's it for today's video. I know this actual video is very interesting, and I believe that you like this video. And if you really do, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below to get subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. And I know a lot of you guys will be asking me, Josh, how can I get audience in this actual platform? I will make a new video in my next day to show you guys on how you can build a very audience and active audience that will be buying your products or that will be engaging on your post in this Instagram trend. What you have to do is to hit the subscribe button and follow me to the end, and follow me whenever I post videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you some other time. Peace out.